We are Ambay Etching process. Welcome to the future of precision manufacturing with 5-axis laser texturing on red tape sleeper molds. Our state-of-the-art 5-axis laser system ensures unparalleled accuracy and intricate detailing. Unlike traditional methods, our laser texturing delivers superior surface finishes and intricate patterns, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Our expert team oversees every step, guaranteeing the highest quality and precision. Experience the pinnacle of innovation in mold manufacturing with our 5-axis laser texturing. Redefining standards, one mold at a time. Contact us today to learn more about how we can transform your manufacturing process. We are Ambay Etching process.